Right then, this is the first video of the 305. As you can see, we have the HDI engine ready to go. It's just about built up now. We've got GTB 2056 VLK from a XC90 with a converted actuator. And this is the 305, which is going to be its home for the rest of its life, hopefully. That's the engine halfway in.
Can you swing it? Like, just hold it in that position there. Right, go on, swing it round. Go on. No, it's further down, down. Down. All the way. This way. That's it.
Can be tricky, this lower bolt,
Absolute twat at times.
especially when you don't have the correct bolt. Oh, that sounded good.
The problem is from memory. This doesn't right.
Right, that's the engine in. Some slight clearance issues, but hopefully it won't pose too much of a problem. You can see down here, but we are very, very close between the back of the turbo and the steering rack, especially the steering column. But until we sort of road test it, we can't determine whether it's actually going to be an issue or not. So, just a case now of plugging the wiring in, getting some fuel sorted, and we might be able to start sort of going towards a first start. Right, so we're just playing with the fuel pump and fuel pressure regulator. Just got it hooked up to a battery just for the moment. We're just using a disposable fuel filter just to flush the tank out a little bit, get rid of some of the crap before we commit to it. So that's it hooked up and running. It's quite quiet. And we haven't touched the gauge yet, but it looks like we're sat on about just under 3 psi, so maybe a little bit of fine tuning to do, but everything's 3 bar, yeah. But yeah, everything seems to be okay fuel wise. I've just got it running into a jerry, and that'll be going back in the tank, so I'm going to waste this filtered diesel. Right then, this is the almost ready for the first start of the 305 HDI project. Just got wiring finished, temporary battery installation. I'm just going to have a little play with the laptop, try and get some error codes just before we go for a first start. Fueling temporarily rigged up. Nothing connected, no coolant pipes, so it'll only be a quick test, but yeah, the next video hopefully will be the first start. Right, this is going to be the first start of this 305 HDI. Fuel pump priming. This will be the second startup. those of you who want some more, this is the third start.